Hey, how's it going? So today I want to talk to you about how is the inflation affecting the cost of your roof. And I think this is super important to know as a homeowner if you have to deal with a roof replacement or an insurance claim. And so shingle prices are going up. We've actually in the last 12 months seen anywhere from a 50 to 70% increase on shingles. And so how does that affect you? Well, one, there's been some limited availability on the shingles you'd like, so there could be a waiting list for that, or it could be a 2-3 month holdup. But more importantly, if you wait, you will pay a higher price. So we've had estimates say come in at 20,000 and customers waited 3 or 4 months. That same estimate's been at 22, 23, and the homeowner's responsible for that. So if you have to file an insurance claim, once the claim's approved, you want to get that work done as soon as possible. And if someone gives you a quote to have your roof replaced, you want to make sure you're ready to do it because that quote actually could go up. It's not the contractor trying to gouge you later on. We have unfortunately been hit with a huge price increase. And so that does affect you as a homeowner. If you are looking at putting on a new roof, just make sure you budget for the price increases that have occurred. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.